Hey y'all, what's going on? It's your girl MissNaturalShay, and today I have for you a perfume. Hey y'all, what's going on? It's your girl MissNaturalShay, and today I have for you a perfume review. We're gonna test out the Finery from Target. We're gonna test out Finery perfume. So if y'all want to see what my review is, what my first impression is on these fragrances, just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so the first one we have is this one right here, and it is the Finery Discovery Set, and it has Before the Rainbow, I'm a Musk, Flower Bed, Sunforia, and Sweet on the Outside. Sweet on the Outside. So we're going to see what these are all about. So y'all, I also got in the full size the Finery Midnight Cafe. So I can't wait to try this one out as well. And the scent experience is the intoxicating mystery of midnight, and it says it smells like creme de cafe, jasmine absolute, and patchouli. So I can't wait to smell this. I also wanted to get a full size of the Sweet on the Outside, but since it was in this discovery set, I decided to try this out first before I purchased it in a full size bottle. You already know that I decided to only purchase what I love. Now if I do not like either one of these, then I will be sending those back to Target, okay? But anyway y'all, if y'all like these types of videos, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. That lets me know that you love seeing your girl, and also make sure you are subscribed, and also chit chat down below and share this video with anyone and everyone. Alright y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the discovery set, and then we're gonna get into this full size product. Okay y'all, so the first one we're gonna try out is the Before the Rainbow. This one right here, we're gonna see what it's talking about. The keynotes again, well, it just says the scent experience is the refreshing calmness of the rain. So we're gonna see if Before the Rainbow is what it's about. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. I sprayed it like 2 or 3 times. Gotta let it dry down because we don't want to smell no alcohol, sis. Ooh, okay. Let's see what this bad boy smell like. So what y'all think? You want to smell it? Get into it. It's not bad. Before the Rainbow. It's not bad. I don't know what the keynotes are, but it's not bad. So we're gonna rate this one out of 5. We're gonna rate it a 2.5. It's not bad, it doesn't stink, but I need more. Okay, I need more. We're gonna go ahead and test out the I Musk. Y'all know your good sis loves her some musk, so let's see what this is about, and we're gonna spray it over here on this side. Okay, so we're gonna let it, you know, we got the tambourine hand. Somebody told me I had the tambourine hand, so boo, we got the tambourine hand going on, okay? And we're gonna blow a little bit. We're gonna see what this thing talking about. It smells like something I've had before that I have in my collection. I can't pinpoint it. If y'all know, if y'all have it, y'all let me know what this musk smells like. But it smells very similar to something I already have. So I'm gonna rate this as a 4. I'm gonna rate it as a 4. The scent experience is blissfully floating through a daydream. Does it smell like that? Can I imagine myself floating through a daydream? It depends on what kind of daydream it is. Now we're gonna go into the flower bed. It's called Flower Bed. It says carefree joy in a field of blooming flowers. So we're gonna see what this thing is about. All right, so I done sprayed it. We got a tambourine hand going. We got a tambourine hand going. Let's see what this thing smells like. Hold on. Flower Bed. Okay. And these are first impressions. Of course, I have not used these on my body besides doing our testers. The initial scent was not what I really like for flowers. But as it's drying down, it does smell better. So I'm gonna give this a solid 3. I'm gonna give this a solid 3. The next thing we're gonna get into is Sunforia. Let's see what Sunforia is about. The scent experience is warmly kissed by the golden sun. So let's see what she's talking about, and we're gonna go to the other hand, boo. So let's go on and spray it up on here. Okay, I sprayed 3 times on that one. Okay. Warmly kissed by the sun. Let's see what you about. Okay. This is very different from these other scents. This one smells really good, and it has some kind of scent in there that really stands out. It smells really nice. So for a first impression, I'm gonna give it a solid 5. I will buy this in a full size. Now it done outdid the musk. And the musk, it just smells like something that I already have. The Flower Bed, it's not bad at all. And then the first one, which was Before the Rainbow, I can still smell that just a slight bit. But I'm digging the Sunforia. Alright, y'all, the last one that I have on here is the Sweet on the Outside. And this one, I really wanted to purchase the full size, but I didn't, only because it's in a discovery and I wanted to figure out if I really like it or not. So this one is a hypnotic and delicious veil of smoky vanilla, and I hope the scent smells bomb, because if it does, then I will definitely get this in a full size. The Sunforia, like, that's a nice strong scent. I like it. All right, let's go in with Sweet on the Outside, and I sprayed it 2 or 3 times. You already know, tambourine. You know I ain't going that low. These knees ain't allowing me to go that low, but I'm gonna go a little bit low. All right, y'all, let's see. But I gotta that initial smell. Sweet on the Outside. Let's see what it's about. It's not bad. It's not bad. Can you smell it? I can smell a little sweetness. I can smell the sweetness. I'm gonna have to smell this all by itself, just so I can really, truly, because this Sunforia is really Sunforian. It smells so good. I'm gonna have to try this on its own. Maybe I'm gonna try it on another spot. Let's go with another spot. So we gonna try here on the wrist, and let's see what she about on the wrist. And I done sprayed her like 3-4 times just to see, so I can smell it all by itself on the wrist. Because I'm really hoping that this is a good one. I'm really hoping, because I want it so bad. And they also have other ones that, it's one called Jungle something. I'm not exactly sure what it's called. It might just be called Jungle. But I was thinking about getting that too, but I'm not sure. This is a nice sweet smell. I can smell the vanilla in here. Right now it doesn't smell smoky to me, but it smells nice. And it's light. It's not a heavy vanilla. So that's nice. I might get it, might not sure. I really do like this Sun for you. Really do like this Sun for you. So that's all for the Discovery Kit. Now we're gonna get into the Midnight Cafe. Now, if I don't like this bad boy, guess what? She going back, okay? It's in this pretty purple packaging. So we gonna see what she about, okay? It says it smells like creme de cafe, jasmine, absolute, and patchouli. But we gonna see what the thing about, okay? All right, so we're gonna do it on this wrist. Let's see what the projection is for the spray. Is it a good sprayer? Because we love a good sprayer, okay? Okay, it's not bad. I'm gonna do 3 times. All right, so we shaking. I smell it a little bit, but I ain't gonna get too excited. So we doing, you know, the tambourine. Y'all already know how I do. Ooh, I smell it again, and it smells good. So is it worth the hype? Is it worth the $27 for a 1.7 ounce? Is it 1.7? Oh, I'm sorry. For a 2 ounce? Let's see. What? Midnight Cafe? What is this? I'm not feeling this, sis. I'm not feeling it. My hopes was high, okay? High. And right now, I'm like, what? What is this? Is it because I smelled all the other 5 scents that now my nose is like, boo. No. Like, I'm gonna have to come back to this. And, yeah. So basically, if when I go back to this and it's not doing what I needed to do, I'm gonna have to return it, sis. $27 is $27 for a 2 ounce. I mean, it ain't that bad. But if I'm not enjoying it, I'm not gonna keep this. I'm not feeling it. And the more I smell it, the more I'm not into it at all. So, Midnight Cafe, boo. You might be going back. Ain't no might. Because what did I say? Excuse me. In the beginning of the video, I said, if I don't love it, it's going back. This year is all about intentional. Being intentional. If I don't enjoy it, it's going back. I don't give a dang on what it is. It's going back. If it's the food at the restaurant, it's going back. Yeah. I'm gonna have to send this back because at this point, if it ain't blended, you know, did its thing, and I did 3 sprays, I'm not feeling it. Now the Sun for you, I would get that. I would get the Sun for you. It's something different to me. It's over here. The sweet on the outside, it's a maybe. It's a maybe. I am musk, no. Or I'm musk, no. Because it smells like something I already had. The Before the Rainbow, no. So guess what? This whole thing about to be going back. Both of these products is going back. I said what I said. I mean what I mean. And I'm not a fan. The best one out of this whole set to me is the Sun for you. I want y'all to let me know what y'all think about this. And I gotta get all this off because I had it on the ground. We need to chit chat in the comments down below. What did y'all think of the Finery? If any of you guys like any of these, please let me know which one it is. If y'all have any of these in your collection, even if you have this in your collection, let me know. If you have this in your collection, let me know. If there's another one that you guys really enjoy, not any one of these, but you know, something else like the jungle one. I think there's they have the cherry one, but the cherry one has been out of stock, so I don't know when I'm gonna be able to get that. But anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think about the Finery fragrances at Target. Y'all thought I was gone? I can't go without saying I love you guys. I love you guys for watching. I love you guys for supporting. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up. That lets me know y'all like these types of videos. And make sure that you are chit-chatting down below. And make sure that you are sharing. Because sharing is caring. Alright, y'all. I'm going to catch y'all in my next video. Peace.